Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunities from 4 companies. Work location is Hyderabad and other locations. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for a first time, please do subscribe channel to receive all latest job updates. Our channel provides time to time updates. Viewers, first Shodhana Laboratories viewers. They are hiring in research and development department, freshers, and position is chemist, and they are conducting walk-in interviews. Work location is Hyderabad. 5th February to 6th February 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. they are conducting walk-in interviews in the following address. So interested candidates, those who have completed any degree, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, MSc, only male candidates are eligible for this position, even they given contact number, and as well as up to 2019 passed out batch, freshers only. Interested candidates can attend the interview. And viewers, next HCL is hiring viewers. Work location Hyderabad. 0 to 5 years experience candidates can apply for this position. This is product support analyst positions. Immediate joiners are preferred. Work location is Kondapur, Hyderabad. Include night shifts. Candidate need to be flexible enough. We have 24/7 environment. Salary offered is negotiable as per the market standard based on the previous experience. Freshers with really good communications can earn and take home of 18,000 plus company benefits, incentives and allowances. 2020 graduates are most welcome. So freshers can also apply for this position. Viewers, CAP facility for women free of cost, and as well as IT CSC candidates are preferred viewers, but not compulsory. Technical skills like working knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, CSS is must. Good understanding of internet architecture and web concepts, familiarity with operations, optimization and monetization tools preferred, and candidate need to possess analytical skills and excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Previous experience in email, chat support preferred. And even in the same notification, they include job responsibilities also. Provide email and chat support for issues raised by the publishers. Work along with publishers on account to enable features and resolve UI related issues. Issues can be related to reporting, delivery, page implementation, creative improvement. Interested candidates can apply for this position, and I am going to provide link in the description. Viewers, next programmer analyst position. Work location is Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, education qualification is bachelor's in computer science, related field with 0 to 5 years of experience, knowledge of scripting languages such as SQL, Python, Java, proficiency to write code in Python or Java, ability to understand functional technical specification and analyze data, creating simple automation mechanism with scripts, integration with REST APIs, strong organizational and problem solving skills. So those who are interested can apply for this position, and I am going to provide link in the description. Viewers, next Excel Dynamic Solution Unlimited companies hiring financial analyst positions, and this is a night shift. 0 to 8 years experience candidates are eligible for this position. We hire based on individual talent, skill, work ethic. Formal degrees are not material in our hiring decision. Job location Bombay, Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Pune, Noida, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Indore, Lucknow, Mysore, Kochi, Chennai. And viewers, salary ranges between 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum, and night shift allowances rupees 1 lakh in addition to the CTC. Key responsibilities includes access loan worthiness, review financial statements, having a knowledge of ERP systems, documents ERP system, maintain database by entering, verifying backup data and documenting ERP system, perform verification as per process to determine authenticity of data, generate financial agreements for execution, contribute to team effort by accomplishing related results as needed. So interested candidates can apply for this position. Viewers, I am going to provide 4 important links in the description. Through links you can apply for particular position which matches your profile. All the best viewers. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews, and please do subscribe channel and hit the bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time. Thank you very much.